Hello my students. Now we are going to start with Unit 8, Part 1, pages 116 and 117. Stop the Hungry Giant Fish, based on a legend from the island of Guam. When a giant parrotfish threatens to eat the island, Nanette and her people must find a way to stop it. This is the summary of our story. The author of this story is Pam Calvert, and the illustrator is Jameson Auden. Do you agree with the saying, strength is in numbers? Why or why not? Have you ever been in a situation where a number of people helped you? Where is Guam located? I'd like you to surf the map, surf the internet to find out where is Guam located. What is a legend? Is it real or fictional? Have you ever had a problem so big that you needed the help of many? How can working together give faster and better results? And now we will start with the target vocabulary that we have in this part. Trembled. The earth trembled as a herd of elephants were moving. Trembled means to shake slightly because of some force. Surged. We all surged toward the door. It means to move quickly and suddenly. Gaping. The fish mouth was like a gaping cave. Gaping means wide open. Spiraling. A spiral staircase takes visitors up into the Statue of Liberty. It means winding or circling around a central point. The synonym is coiling. Possess. Mercury was believed to possess magical properties. It means to have or own. Maidens. I read a story about a beautiful maiden and her mysterious father. It means a young girl or woman who is not married. The synonym is miss. Weaving. I met the man whose job is weaving scarves. It means to make clothes or mats. And now let's start our story. The earth trembled beneath Nanette's feet. She ran toward Hagatna Bay. Out of the water surged a giant parrotfish with a mouth like a gaping cave and a beak as sharp as a spiraling coral. It splashed as its mighty jaws approached the jutting rock. And in this part, what new words do we have? Trembled, surged, gaping, and spiraling. Chomp! The earth shook. Eee! Nanette cried, I must burn the others. She fled toward her village. Between gasps, she told the Magalahi, the chief, that a giant creature was eating their island. The chief gathered the men who were known to possess great strength. They decided they could use their strength to seize the fish. The new word that we have here, possess only. The men jumped into their flying prows and soared out in the fast-sailing canoes to catch the beast, but the men could not find the fish, even though they could hear the rumbling of each bite. Snap! The giant fish continued to devour the rock, but each time the fish heard the men approaching, it slipped into deep underwater caves to hide. Hard pounding. Nanette ran toward the home of the Magahaga, the wisest woman in the village. There, at the outside kitchen, she saw a gathering of maidens sitting in a circle, weaving mats and singing. A sea creature is eating our island, Nanette cried. What can we do so that our entire island does not end up in the belly of a fish? So what new words do we have here? Maidens and weaving. Thanks a lot and see you in part 2 inshallah.